Here's a simple way to add a second TikTok account to your TikTok app. You could also add a third TikTok account this way too. Just go up here. This is your account. You need at least one. And then if you press right here, there's an option here that says add account on the bottom. If you don't see that here, by the way, you could also press the three lines. And then if you go all the way to the bottom of the page, it says switch account. Press that, and then you could add an account here. Let's press that. Now on this page, we don't have a second account yet, so we can't log into that account. We need to sign up on the bottom to a new account. Press sign up. And then on this page, you could go ahead and use any of these methods here. I'm going to use phone and email. And here, you need to be at least 12 to use TikTok, so I'm going to type in my birth date. Now, I've already used my phone on my main account, so I'm going to use an email here instead. Now, I need to create a password here, so make sure you remember this password. And then you'll go ahead and create yourself a username, QuickTech. And it has to be a username that's available. Usernames have to be unique here. So pick one that's available for you. And now you have a brand new TikTok account. And now if you want to go back to your main account, just press this option on top here and you'll see your other account here. And you could jump back to it this way and you could easily jump back and forth. And it's that simple to add a second or third TikTok account on the TikTok mobile app.